Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2110-3150. The error reads, "Unable to connect to the internet." An error occurred during communication with the server. Please try again. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users attempt to wirelessly connect their Nintendo Switch or Nintendo Switch 2 to the internet, but the connection fails. According to our research, this error may come because of network connection problems, incorrect DNS or proxy settings, wireless interference on certain frequency bands, outdated router firmware, or router configuration issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your console along with your internet router and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, remove your network from the Nintendo Switch console and create a new internet connection, then check for the error again. If the error still persists, try switching your Nintendo Switch to connect over the 5.0 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, access the settings for your saved internet connection and check the DNS and proxy settings. If these are set to manual but are not required for your network, change them to automatic. If you are not connected through a proxy, set the proxy settings to off. Then check for the error again. If the error still doesn't resolve, try updating your wireless router's firmware. You can also reset the router back to its factory default settings and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, try connecting your Nintendo Switch to a phone hotspot or another Wi-Fi network and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. Thank you.